Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a small Target and Walmart haul for you. I went to the Target dollar spot to check out what they had for the summer, and they had some really fun things. So to start off, I found these watermelon items. These are coasters that I thought I could alter, and I may use in my planner spread for this week. Also, here's some little post-it notes. There's a watermelon there, and then there's pink confetti around a white square there. And then here's some really cute paper clips. A banana is a watermelon and a cloud, so I thought those were cute. And then I found these note cards that are super cute. And all those items were $1. And then I found some strawberry items. Some strawberry straws there. There's 24. And then these coasters that match it. And each pack of coasters has 6. And then some napkins that match. They're really cute. And then I found some goodie bags. These are, there are, let's see how many, 20, and they include the twist ties. But I just thought these would be great to do like Happy Meal, or if I have stuff in my Etsy shop that I want to package up. And then there's also these cellophane bags that have lemons on them. I just thought those were adorable. And here are some, they're kind of like glassine bags, but they're a flat paper bag and just a stripe. And there are 10 in there. There was another pattern, I believe, too, that said summer is here. I thought that was cute, but I didn't pick that one up. And then I found these coasters that say yay summer. And then over at Walmart, I went into their jewelry section because I wanted to pick up some things to make some charms. And so I'm going to be making some 4th of July junk journals, and I want to make charms. So I found these star buttons, some split rings here, and then a silver chain, and it comes with the lobster clasps, and then another set of lobster clasps. So these are all items that I will use to make some button charms, and I believe I'll be having a tutorial on how to make those coming up, so look ahead to that. So I hope you like this video, and maybe you'll go on over to your Target dollar spot and see if you can find some of these really fun summer things. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Talk to you later. Bye. God bless.